Hey guys, we received this Lubluelu 3-in-1 Robo Vacuum and Mop combo. So this is for test and try and 4500 Pascal Robo Vacuum with the mopping and the mapping and the LiDAR navigation with the app control. So I will just show you everything here. This is the model SL68. So in the unboxing, this is the main content, the manual, the easy installation guide, the main Robo Vacuum. This is the extra filter and the accessories. So this is the main Robo Vacuum, very nice white color. And this is the charging or the charging stand. There are the extra bristles, things and accessories, the mopping thing, extra cloth, and that's it. So let me just take out the stuff. So this is the charging thing, and you can say like the stock here. So this is the adapter. So let me just add this up. So putting in this adapter so that the charging thing is all set. And this is the mopping pad. You can also change this cloth. If it's dirty, you can wash it and then use the other one. You have to remove these protective things. And this the corner one. You have to put in this brush. So you can just rotate this and then just put it down. There's extra one here, the spring thing, so it can walk or climb on something. You can also clean up this if there are any hair things, stuck up. So you can easily take this out and use this supplied brush and the blade if the any hair is stuck or something. So I'm just doing it in a fast mode so I can explain a lot more. So it's easy to put in back and then you can clean up this brush stuff. So this is the battery pack thing and this one is the main rubber vacuum thing. So it's a nice quality. I can feel it here. The wheel and everything is fine. And then you can take out this. So this is the main chamber. So the dust will be collected in here. So you can clean it up. So this is for the water if you want the mopping thing. And this is the filter. So there is one extra filter as well. So you can just change or wash or clean the filter as well. So these are the accessory things that as I mentioned. So it's pretty fast thing. And then you can also use this mop on the top of this if you want this mopping one. And I also mentioned like where you can put the water and then do it. So for the charging, these are like the two ports and you have to just include like in here and it will just light up showing that the charging is on and then you can do. So this is all the on. So this is good for both hardwood floors and stuff. The speed is really fast as I can see and it is cleaning really well. It can go on the carpet as well. So it can go on both carpet as well as on the hardwood floor. So you can say like it's fast speed and it can easily recognize things. And I try to just put in some object just to see and then just smart life is you have to put in the app, press these two buttons so the Wi-Fi is on, then it will search and connect. So this is the app. So you can easily control this with the app also. So once this is all set, so it will just connect this with this app. And now it's asking to update the firmware also. So you can just check everything. It will update everything. So once this is all updated, you can just choose and that's it. So once everything is all set, I can easily control it with the app. In the app also, you have different functions. And then once you do the cleaning, I could just show you like how the things can stuck up. So here you can use that supplied blade and things, but they're not much. So I am just taking it out like manually. And then this is the dust collecting pack where you can just clean up. See, it's clean up in this small time. It take out a lot of dust from the carpet and the floor. So it's a pretty good and powerful vacuum cleaner. And even if you get into the hurdle, it will recognize it and change its way. So I put this table just to see like how this will work, getting into the things if the things are in between. So it's pretty nice and cool robo vacuum, powerful one.